In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do if you ran out of your Squarespace free trial. I'm a Squarespace template designer, and as you can see, I've got a lot of websites in my account, and my templates are actually free trials. They're free 1-year trials, as I'm a platinum member. And when something runs out of a trial, we're just extending it. So let me show you how to do it. So this is a template for photographers. It's called applet.studio. And as you can see, the trial ran out. It's prompting us to subscribe. And the editing is disabled. We cannot access any pages. So here's what we do. Look at your browser window and look at the domain name, and you've got /config/ and all you need to do is add extend trial. Extend trial and hit return. Now our trial is successfully extended. Let's go back to site and we'll see that it expires in 183 days, which is strange. It needs to be 1 year. Now we see that the trial is extended. And until next time, if your site was originally 14-day trial, it will extend by 7 days, and you can keep extending it as you're working on it. If it was a 6 months trial or 1 year trial, it will extend as a 6 month or 1 year trial. It doesn't matter if you are a Circle member or not. You can always extend the trial yourself. I'm Olga, by the way. I run applet.studio. It's a Squarespace template brand. I also have amazing Squarespace freebies for you. Check them out below this video. And this is a new channel, so please show me some love, like, and subscribe.